Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
High network withdrawal. As of March 2025, Pi Network has transitioned to its open network base, allowing users to withdraw and utilize their Pi coins outside the Pi ecosystem to withdraw your Pi coin. So, first thing is the complete KYC verification. First thing you need to do is ensure you have completed your KYC process within the Pi Network app. This verification is mandatory for all users to access mainnet features. Number two is set up a Pi wallet. Within the Pi browser, navigate to the wallet application to generate your unique Pi wallet. Securely back up your passphrase as it's crucial for accessing your funds. And number three is transfer Pi coins to your wallet. After setting up your wallet, transfer your Pi coins from the mining app to your main net wallet. This step is essential for managing and withdrawing your assets. Number four is use Pi coin on Pi network platform. With your Pi coin in your main net wallet, you can utilize them within the Pi network ecosystem as purchase goods or services from other Pi users who also complete the KYC process. Number five, monitor exchange listing. Stay updated and on official Pi network announcement regarding listing on cryptocurrency exchange. Once Pi coins are listed, you can transfer your holdings to this exchange to trade to convert them into your cryptocurrency or the currency that you want. So there you go. And a little bit of a tip for you guys. All the KYC is a mandatory for accessing the Pi, and ensure your documents, ID, maybe passwords match your Pi network account details to avoid any rejection. So there you go, guys. And of course, last one is be aware of the listing and use Pi within the ecosystem and avoid scam and fake exchange. Do not send Pi coins to anyone promising high returns or early withdrawals, and do not enter your wallet paraphrase on an official website or app. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.